every week I see artists complain online. I've tried everything, Groover, Submit Hub, ads, playlists, and nothing works. And honestly, I get it, because for beginners, those strategies almost never get you past a few hundred streams. But here's the truth nobody wants to hear. 10K monthly listeners is way easier than people make it out to be, if you learn this one thing. And today, I'm going to show you exactly what it is, with real examples, and why almost every other strategy wastes your money. I've met artists who've spent 3 years grinding, testing ads, sending hundreds of cold emails, paying for playlist spots, and still never crack 1,000 monthly listeners. They're stuck because they're treating themselves like a big artist when right now they're not. Ads, they show your music to cold audiences who don't know you or care about you. Playlists, people stream them while they cook or shower, and they never even click to see who you are. So why keep running into a wall? The fastest, most reliable way to grow as a new artist isn't playlists. It's not TikTok going viral. It's not another round of boosted posts. It's features. Yes, collaborating with other artists is the single most underrated growth hack in music. Here's why. Features give you instant credibility. The bigger artist is basically vouching for you. Their fans become a warm audience, people who are already open to your sound. And unlike playlists, these fans actually click through, follow, and come back. Let's take Bass Savo. On his own, he was pulling respectable numbers, 50K here, 70K there. But when he landed a feature with DaBaby, that track shot up to nearly 1 million plays. And guess what? A chunk of DaBaby's 25 million monthly listeners spilled over to Savo, permanently boosting his own streams past 10K plus monthly listeners. That's not an accident, that's how this game works. Now most of us can't afford a DaBaby feature, and honestly, you don't need to. Instead, focus on emerging artists with 10K to 50K monthly listeners who already sound like you. These are affordable collabs that can change your entire trajectory. Here's the real reason most artists never do this. Ego. They think features are cheating or not authentic, but that's nonsense. Every single superstar you know, Drake, Kehlani, Travis Scott, leveled up through features. Features aren't cheating. They're the engine of music discovery. And listen, features are how you get fans, but keeping them is a whole different game. That's why this video is sponsored by ForeverFan, a platform that helps you turn those new listeners into a loyal fan base. With tools for direct communication, exclusive content, and deeper fan engagement, ForeverFan makes sure the audience you gain actually sticks around. Check out the link in the description to start keeping the fans you work so hard to earn. So here's the step-by-step game plan to hit 10K monthly listeners. Identify artists in your lane with 10K, 50K listeners. Reach out for a collab or feature. Make sure your sounds actually complement each other. Release and promote together. Their audience checks you out, and if you deliver, they stay. Instead of dumping $500 into Facebook ads that disappear in 2 days, spend that same money on a feature that pays dividends for months, even years. Look, features aren't just a hack, they're the proven path. Stop wasting time on cold strategies that don't work and start focusing on collabs that actually move the needle. And if you want the full roadmap on how to grow from 0 to 10K monthly listeners step by step without wasting money, I put everything into a guide that you can grab right now for free. Links in the description. If you want to start building your foundation today, check out all the resources we've got in the description. Grab the Indie Artist Growth Bundle for branding, fanbase, and networking strategies. Book your icon branding session with OSQUAREPHOTOS if you're in Los Angeles. Join our newsletter for weekly gems and updates. And most importantly, if this helped, drop a comment with your biggest struggle as an indie artist. We'd love to hear it.